Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a forum. Now you can do that pretty easily through Website Toolbox. It's just at websitetoolbox.com. Um, Now this will work for both if you have an existing website and you want to add a forum to that website, or if you don't have a website yet and you want to create your own forum website. It'll work either way. It's very easy to set up and get running in a few seconds. Just click here on create your forum. And let's say here we put, I don't know, ytest at test.com. There's some example information, but here you'd plug in your own information. Click create your forum. Now here you go. Forum's created in a few seconds. There's quite a bit you can do in here, but it's all made to be pretty simple and easy, even for non-technical users. So let's say first would be customize your theme. Here you can pick through various different themes that they have. There's a lot of them. Classic, playtime, various different themes. You can just activate a theme in one click and then customize that theme. So you can upload a logo, set a title for your forum, upload an icon that'll appear in the browser up here in the browser address bar. Change the colors of the theme. So for example, let's say you want to make it a green color, just point and click and set that color up, or blue, or purple. Change the background color, or choose from a pre-made palette of various different styles. You can upload a header image as well that would appear right here, kind of full screen header image. So that's the customization. Then you can also change the HTML, or customize the domain name, either use an existing domain name or purchase a new domain name specifically for your forum. So here would be like forum.mydomain.com, or set up a brand new one. Or they have a bunch of existing domains that you can kind of use as well. If you have an existing website, you can just go to the embed code, copy paste this embed code into your website. There's some instructions for various different popular website builders, and even plugin for WordPress and Joomla. Or you can link to the forum separately as well if you don't want to embed it. And that works really well. That way you don't have to worry too much about it matching your website and all. It'll just instantly match your website if you already have an existing one. And if you don't have an existing one, if you don't have an existing website, you can even set up your own domain name and create it from scratch. Yeah, various different things like single sign-on and stuff. So if you already have an existing website, when they log in on your website, either using the plugin or your own integration that they can do for you, it would log them into the forum as well. I found this pretty interesting. You can also charge fees or just get a donation. You can charge fees for them to access specific parts of your forum, either specific categories or the whole forum itself, which is a great way to kind of earn some income from your forum. Or you could go to ads and place in ad code, like from Google AdSense, into here, and it'll appear on your forum. So here's an example of a forum. It will appear actually on the forum up here at the top, or here on the sides, or in topics, and that way you can make money off ads on the forum. There's also inbuilt chat as well, which can be used to live chat while people are on the forum. Here's the topics list. Click on here and see various different posts. And this is just one theme. There's a lot of different themes, so the forum can look completely different. Like if I come on here, I go to themes, and let's say I change it to classic, activate, and then view forum. now the forum looks completely different. This is more of a classic kind of columned view of the forum. You know, you can see the members list, all members, the first member. Yeah, so here you can come in, manage the different categories, create different categories of discussing various different topics, and assign moderators to moderate the discussion, or administrators to manage the members and events. There's calendars, albums. There's quite a bit. Anyway, that's how you can create a forum really easily. They have customer support included as well in case you have any questions. There's a live chat that's available for you to be able to ask any questions you have. Guys, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below the video. I'll be glad to address them. Have a great day.